In times of sadness and desperation, dark thoughts surface. Our subconscious is forced to reveal itself. All our embarrassing mannerisms, sexual fetishes, and inappropriate thoughts rise to the surface.
You're broken and empty and dirty and smelly and useless and old. You're like trash.
In this case, it manifests itself as a dead body. Sometimes, when we're on the brink, we just need a reason to stay. We need each other. Even objects can have emotions. You don't use an object and it becomes useless. We give meaning to one another, animate or not. Sometimes we are our own worst enemy. Our mind is a terrifyingly dark place. Our subconscious weighs us down, carrying it constantly on our shoulders. We are too concerned with the opinions of others, ashamed of who we really are. So ashamed, you hide it away.
Is this crying? I don't like it. It's wet and uncomfortable.
Deep inside your soul. And it might take us walking the line between life and death to realize that life is short and it's okay to be yourself and let go of all the guilt, shame, and hate. When we finally have the courage to let go and find oneself, our subconscious chains will be lifted and we will be the ones being carried.
No, man, it's not your fault. I probably would have done it myself eventually. God knows I've tried.